So yeah, we're on the Friday Night Funkin' Neo mode. If you're wondering, hey, why didn't you play the other ones? Why didn't you play the normal one? I did, and I tried to record it twice, and one of them didn't have any audio, and the other one had messed up audio. So I'm just gonna do this instead. You know what I mean? It's just better. But we're just gonna do this. All right? It's gonna be easier. I've heard the Neo mode is actually hella hard, but you know what? We're just gonna go right past it, alright? So you're that kid that wants to be the next star in this place, eh? You sure you could handle it? Of course I can. I'll sure as hell be able to handle it, maybe even better than you. No, I don't want to skip the dialogue. Your attitude says otherwise, kid. I'll still give you a chance at this, though. Bring it, shitload.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Whoa, wait, whoa. Whoa. Alright, your funeral. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
This is laggy as hell. Okay. Yo, I'm actually doing better than that. Okay, yo, hold on.
Try!
Yo, relax, not that serious. Okay, no, yo.
Police! Police! Help! Police! Help!
Okay, yo, listen. It wasn't that serious.
You're dirt. You're doodle butter.
It really, okay.
A motherfucking, down. Hell, fucking.
I was talking too much. I was talking all that good shit. I was talking all that.
You could do so.
Alright. Okay, now I know what I'm in. If I have to do that whole dialogue shit again, I swear to God. No, get out. Miss. Okay. The doubles are getting me, eh?
Your ankles bend more than your stick, buddy? You look like a baby deer out there, buddy.
Okay, yo. Okay, yo, we're doing better at this. Yo, who said this was hard? Who said this was hard? Okay.
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Okay, yo, no, listen. We don't talk about that. That was easy, bro. It was easy. We're not talking about how I folded at the end there, though. We're not talking about that. No, we don't. Not bad. But I hate to break it to you, but rock stars just don't copy someone else's vocals the whole time, kiddo. Oh, Lord. He's gonna make me do some neck stuff. So you want some improv? I'll sure as hell give you improv. Let's get going. Listen, bro. No, I wasn't copying you. We were harmonizing, my guy. It's all good, you know what I mean? Also, my girl looking bad, low-key, bro. I'm still copying your shit. Okay, no. Let's talk about that. It's like I'm not looking. Okay, no, yeah. I was jamming too hard.
Tell them to bring me my money.
See, that was easy. Okay, I say it was easy. Look at me. I'm hella close to dying. look at that. We attracted a bit of a crowd. That's I don't see any other people. There's still a wanted sign at the back, and it looks like, I don't know who that is, but... Well, it's been fun messing with you, but I'm going all out on this one. Oh, Lord. Nah, it's easy, bro. You can say goodbye to those naive little dreams of yours for good. No one's ever outshined Daddy Dearest.
You not a different breed. You just different. You're weird.
I'm not calling you that. I hope you know that. Looks like I'll just need to be the first to do it then. Big talk for someone your size. He's literally the size of... My dude is literally the size of this guy's waist, so it only means that your loss will be more embarrassing. Now, hit it. Oh, never mind, there's a crowd. I was joking. Jeez Louise. Y'all hear this beat? Press random buttons. That wouldn't. If this is you going all out, I don't. I need to stop talking. I need to stop talking trash. I need to stop talking trash.
Oh wow.
Okay, yo, get out of here with the doubles, bro. Get out of here with the doubles. I was talking all that. I need to shut my yap.
Shut your yap.
And play the damn game. That's what I need to do. Holy cow. This be hard as hell, though. Yeah, I'm getting a nice 61 frames per second here, but when the game comes, it goes to 30. What is that about, eh? Alright. If I lose this one, I'm dropping a freestyle. This is gonna be trash, but, you know. We're gonna work around it. Okay, yo, shut up, bro. I'm not calling you Daddy Dearest again. Okay, yo, the doubles, bro. God damn. I can't deal with the doubles, bro. This beat's so hard, bro. I might as well just stay on this. Because the beat is so good, you know what I mean? About to drop a freestyle on this bitch, right? Yeah. I don't know where to start. Just gotta give a word. Okay. I'm on Friday Night Funk in the Neo. My new girl looking emo. I don't know anything else. But I'm from the Matrix. Oh, hey, I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Okay, yeah!
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Come here, baby, let's go! Let's go! Hey, don't even get a cool cutscene at the end of me whooping this guy? Alright. Week 1 was too easy. I'm not going basic. We gotta go Neo mode week 2. The Graveyard. This is gonna be an easy game, don't you think? GF. Yeah, whoever said we're going... Oh god, I can't read. Whoever we're going against, I'm sure you'll destroy them, babe. Shut up. Hey, you kids, we're here for the rap battle against the Spookies. We heard they're playing here in a bit. You know where they are? That would be us. Can't you recognize us, you... Recognize us, you dickweed? You're just about to head on stage. Yeah, dickweed. Dumbfounded. You got some sharp tongues for kids your age. Yeah, so what? Yeah, so okay. This dude in the purple needs to fucking get the hell out of my face. Skid, didn't he say something about a battle? Well, at least one of you kids listened. If you want the battle, then you came to the right place. We're gonna beat you so hard that you're gonna be 6 feet under. Okay. Yeah, this'll be easy. Skid, we still need to get on stage. Oh yeah. Oh god. We still need to give the audience a performance. They came here for a reason, to hear us play. Then let's give the audience a show.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, yo, hold on.
Expose him! Expose him!
I'm folding already. Okay, yo, these guys need to relax.
Oh my god!
Okay, yo, I was feeling it. I was in there. I was in the zone. I was in the zone. I clearly wasn't in the zone enough. I really don't understand this game's, what's the word I'm looking for? The game's, focusing of the, you know what I'm talking about.
Oh, brother!
Hey, y'all hear those scratches? Oh, I
Try
Okay, yo, listen. How did I... No, I was what? I had it, bro. You're joking. Nah. Alright, let's try this again. Drop the beat. Yeah, I'm playing Neo.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
My bar's so sick like Neo.
And I'm so sick of love songs.
No, listen, that was lag. You saw that lag. How did I do that? No, stop lagging, bro. I accidentally hit the bottom one. Okay, that wasn't bad, but it was just beginner's luck. You can't keep up with our next songs. Yeah, it was beginner's luck. Yeah, I did it first try. Yeah, for sure, first try, yeah. You, if you say so. Next song.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, yo, relax, buddy.
Ikari. グループの仲間外れを殺すのがあんたの宗教の方針なら本気で来い。笑わせるよりは簡単かもしれない。
Okay, yo, relax. I thought he was gonna go for longer than that. Okay, yo, relax. Okay, Okay, listen. How did I miss that? Okay, no, listen. Okay, I have to cut half of this out. Okay, what am I supposed to do there, bro? What is that? Like, come on, man. Okay, yo, I was doing so well there. I was doing so well. It's that part that screws me up. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I can't. There's no way. There's physically no way. Okay, I'm gonna skip the dialogue.
3,
Alright, let's see if week 3 is any easier.
Nope.
So you really thought escape would be that easy? Yeah, kinda, if I'm being honest. Yeah, that lemon guy was kinda slow. Yeah, shut up. Might have been too slow to catch you, but I don't think you'll be able to outrun my bullets. Okay, buddy. Alright.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yo, y'all hear this?
Expose him! Expose him!
Okay, yo. Nah, you're doing way too much. No, you're doing way too much. You're doing way too much. How am I? Y'all hear those horns in the background? Holy shit, this is sick. Nobody can alternate from up and down that fast. No. Let's go, baby. Easy. It's not easy. It wasn't easy. If my computer didn't have the same processing power as packing peanuts, then maybe it would be easy. Are you effing serious? How is that what they censor? After that terrible show you put on at the graveyard, you're gonna start getting good now? Yeah, even he knows that I fumbled at the graveyard, or the raveyard. Even he knows that I couldn't finish it. What the hell are you talking about? That's one of the best performances I've ever done. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, and I'm about to scrape your ass on your own turf again, bro. Okay, yo, no, listen. That's all lag. That is all lag. Okay, okay, that wasn't lag. This dude is doing way too much right now. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I can do it.
One eye open when I'm sleeping. One eye.
The hell are you doing all this for, Philly? Come on, man. Philly hard. Philadelphia's never been this good. Okay, yo. Listen.
I can't fucking compete! I just can't fucking compete! Can you get the fuck?
I had that, bro. Why do I keep pressing? I keep pressing retry on a game that this game feels like what I would imagine. I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know what this game feels like. This game, it is a feeling that I've never felt before. You know what I mean? I would imagine this is what it feels like to spray Febreze on your clothes instead of washing them. That's how bad this game is. You know what I mean? That's how unreliable this game is to provide entertainment. Maybe, hold on, I gotta flame this guy for a second. Look at your McDonald's hairline looking at it. Boy, if you don't get your cheekbone that protrudes 6 inches from your face ass. Boy, you don't get your toilet seat mouth looking at it. Boy, if you don't get your sneakers that light up 2 different colors looking at it. Boy, your pants look like a squid. Okay, yo, I can't. I literally can't.